Hi everyone, this is me Soumya. Welcome back to my channel. I am good and I hope you are all good too. Today I am going to tell you a story based on intelligence. The story name is The Clever Rabbit and the Lion. So, once upon a time there was a big lion who thought he was the king of the jungle. Every day he hunted and ate many animals. The animals were scared, so they made a deal. Lion, we will send you one animal every day for your meal, but you must promise not to hunt others. The lion agreed. One day it was the rabbit's turn to go. But the rabbit was very clever. He walked very slowly and reached the lion late. The lion roared angrily. "Why are you late?" The rabbit said. On my way, another lion said, "He is the real king of the jungle. He even wanted to eat me." The lion got furious. "Another lion? Take me to him." The rabbit took the lion to a deep well and said, "He is inside. Look." The lion looked into the well and saw his own reflection. Thinking it was another lion, he jumped into fight and never came out. The jungle was free again, thanks to the clever rabbit. This is the end, and the moral of the story is intelligence is stronger than strength. Thank you. Thank you so much for listening me.